My name is Magnus Karlberg and I'm the Global Product Manager for face drilling at Epiroc. In this video we will take a closer look at our new rig, the Boomer M20. This machine offers reliable performance, cost-efficient ownership and high productivity. But as always, safety first. At the end of the day, what truly matters is getting the job done. And with the new Butt MD Boom, this rig takes productivity to the next level. The Butt MD Boom delivers significantly higher torsional rigidity, stiffness, and overall robustness compared to previous models. Combined with adjustable boom telescope bearings, it provides greater drilling precision and straighter holes. On top of that, you get faster positioning and improved crosscut and roof drilling capabilities. In other words, higher productivity. The M-size boomer has a long legacy and has seen numerous upgrades and refinements over the years. With a robust and reliable Butt MD boom, this rig continues to meet and exceed the high expectations placed on it. With no sensors or external cabling on the booms and feeds, the design is clean, accessible, and service-friendly. The straightforward architecture makes daily inspections, troubleshooting, and maintenance easier. This helps keeping the rig performing reliably. It's a tough, uncomplicated solution built for real-world productivity. The Boomer M20, equipped with the dependable Butt MD booms, delivers long service intervals and a rig that is easy and cost-efficient to keep running. The boom telescope is designed for durability and straightforward maintenance, saving both time and money while ensuring excellent availability and truly cost-effective ownership. The Boomer M20, strong by design, simple by nature.